Hello everyone, welcome back with us, Gio and Fernand. Today we going to show how to ride um, manual motorcycle. Manual motorcycle is one of the average transmission that you can see or at the street. But not everyone can ride the manual motorcycle. Uh, for the beginner, uh, usually you feel scared because it's easily jump and the engine turn off. So this is it.
First, let's turn on the engine. Use your key to turn on the engine. Wait the speedometer to turn on. Then just click the switch and the engine will turn on.
Okay, after that, pull the clutch until full, then kick the shifter to enter the first gear. After that, you can release the clutch slowly. It will move by itself. Then you can push the throttle gently. Okay, now you can ride it without feeling it will die. If you want to stop the bike, you can pull the brake lever gently and pull the clutch full. Make sure you pull it until full. When the bike is already stopped, change the gear to neutral. Then turn off the engine.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching our tutorial and have a great day and see you all next time.